What's the name of your application software?
With the Zoho Book smart accounting system.
What are these key features?
It's simple, easy to use, has a smart design and work with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android device.
Who are the users?
Uh, Business escapely small one
What is the purpose of Zoho Book?
to easily manage to money following in and out of the business.
What are the benefits?
A client can pay conveniently and business can manage finances and zero just via smartphone or tablet.
What are these limitations?
It's like iron survive and is the best for playing business. It's my turn. What's the name of your application software?
Adobe Photoshop CC,
What are its key feature?
professional photography tool, unique pattern, effects, and advanced brush tool custom size digital art,
Who are users?
designer, photographer, and artist
What is the purpose of Photoshop?
to edit digital image,
What are the benefits?
logo designing, graphics art, belong image, and many other professional use.
Okay, last question. What is the limitation?
It's time consuming to learn and require a powerful computer with lots of RAM.
Thank you.
Thank you.